What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I'm killing two birds with one stone, filming two videos at once. So today is the day before Toyota Fest, and I'm doing an install that I should have done a good while back, but I've been procrastinating. Give me a second. I don't know, I've just been procrastinating. I've had this part since Christmas. Alright, and for those of you who don't know, this part I've already showed it on the Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, make sure you guys check me out on Instagram at Amateur Bills, just like the channel. So this part came in Christmas. I ordered it from Aero Performance. They hooked it up. Awesome guys, awesome product. But yeah, enough talking about that. Let me show you the product. Alright, so check it out. We have the hatch visor for the Supra, made the same way that the OEM one would be made. So we're going to be doing an install on this. Alright, so let me show you guys what it comes with. So obviously it comes with some instructions provided by Aero Performance along with pictures. You guys have it, aeroperformance.com. It's the A70 sunshade and all the things that it comes with. Alright, so basically it gives you step-by-step instructions and pictures on how to do it. So I'm gonna skip all the showing you guys how to do it step-by-step, and you guys could just follow the instructions, which is basically what I'm gonna be doing. So now everything's mocked up. You guys see all the way around. I use masking tape and, you know, just pen, just like I line up the center. And when I take off this hatch visor, you know, it takes a lot of finesse to get it right into place or exactly where you want it. So, you know, this is a good way of just marking your center where your bracket hole should be. So now I'm gonna take off the visor and finally hard mount the actual brackets with dough face tape. So the way these brackets actually work is that they actually sit inside the actual window trim. So if I peel this back and I pull out, you guys can see he leaves an additional piece for the bracket for it to tuck in. And to make it easier, if you guys have one of these little box plates or razor blades like these, just go over here, place it. You don't necessarily have to go under the trim all the way, just a little bit right there, and then just push. It's hard to do one-handed, but basically the blade sits in there. You guys can see blade sits in there. Use this and just push in. You pull this out, it sits right in there. Alright, and there we have it. That's what it should look like before installing the actual visor, where the brackets are finally mounted. Everything is firm, not moving anywhere. Now all we gotta do is just take this hatch visor, clean it up a bit because it's a little dirty, and screw it all back in together. And that should pretty much conclude the install. What else? Yeah, let's just do the install, and I'll grab a couple clips for you guys so you guys get an idea of what it looks like. very, very clean install, as you guys can see. Just the little screws on the outside. Everything cleans up very nicely, installs very nicely, sturdy as can be. It's a acrylic material that, you know, that they create a mold and they inject into that mold, so you know it's gonna last for a long, long time. Very reminiscent to the OEM one that Toyota once made. Toyota long discontinued this part, especially in this material, and a lot of companies tried replicating it, but a lot of them always used fiberglass, and you just mounted it with double-sided tape. This one's actually made out of acrylic, comes with actual brackets. They're mounted properly, sit within the actual window trim for more sturdy install. But yeah, really like the result of it. All right, you guys gotta tell me what you guys think. I feel like very subtle, but it's a nice touch. Gives it a nice aggressive look. It doesn't go too bad, as in too aggressive.